The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, St. Paul District, along with many federal, state, and local partners, are building a better tomorrow along the Mississippi River, one island at a time. The group is currently building islands in the river as part of the Upper Mississippi River Restoration Program, also known as the Environmental Management Program. Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources biologist Jeff Janverin said the program is making a noticeable difference.
The Environmental Management Program on the Mississippi River is a world-class restoration program. Along Wisconsin's border alone, we've restored or had over 30 projects and restored thousands of acres of habitat.
In total, more than 50,000 acres have been protected within the St. Paul District alone. Corps of Engineers Project Manager Tom Novak said the program relies on everyone to do their share.
The Environmental Management Program is a multi-district, multi-agency program. It involves St. Louis District of the Corps of Engineers, Rock Island District, and St. Paul District, including the Department of Interior, which is the USGS Service, and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, as well as the 5 states, Missouri, Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa.
The program is necessary, according to Novak, to keep the resources available for generations to come.
I think it's important because, habitat is being lost. It's a huge river, it's a huge amount of habitat, and it's been lost. A lot of it's been lost over the last 80 years, will be continue to be lost unless we do something about it. And it's a resource that's been used by a lot of folks over a lot of years.
During the more than 25 years of the restoration program, engineers, biologists, and water resource planners have spent countless hours determining how to best construct habitat suitable to a wide variety of life. Corps of Engineers resident engineer Scott Baker said they now know what ingredients are needed to successfully build an island.
Well, this island, it will take probably a couple months, 6 weeks to a couple months to place the granular material and the rock material. The fine material usually takes a little longer, partly because the material has to dry. So it'll be really the end of this year or into next year by the time it's all graded and seeded, but most of the work is done within 2 to 3 months. The smaller islands, that might only take a month or 6 weeks.
The next step in the island construction process will be to have the district's natural resources team plant a variety of trees on the island. Reporting for the Corps of Engineers near Lansing, Iowa, I'm Patrick Mose.